If you want to copy color or a style to another shape, you can use simple two tools here, color picker tool or style picker tool. First, select color picker tool. As you can see, almost changed to cross, and we can choose any color from here that you want. First, you have to select the object that you want to change its color. For example, we have something like this. We don't need to stroke. It's red. Select it, then select the color picker tool. With click and drag, you can see, you can open magnifier to see more detail on the color. And then if you release your mouse, as you can see, because we was in a stroke, it changed the color stroke. Select this circle to bring the fill, and again click and drag, or for example I want to choose this color. Boom. And as you can see, the fill color changed exactly the color that is here. This is simple. You can change the fill or store color of any object. As you can see, we have a different style of this object here than 3D. I will be explaining the layer effects later, but it's a 3D. I want to copy this style to this object. It's very simple. You choose style picker color and you have to load something. Click its pick, and then you can just another click to this, another click to this. It will be load everything to that. Very simple. If you want to clear, you can unload that. It's copy, stroke, fill, layer opacity, layer effects, character settings, paragraph setting. So it's copy everything in a style, in text or layer effects to this. For example, unload to reset, select this, and as you can see, because it was selected, it's loaded there. Click, unload again. I want to click that. Oh, sorry. Make sure that anything is selected. Then select it. Oh, you have to select that. Select it. Select. Unload again. Select. It's load these settings, and then you can copy this style to that. Nice. Simplest way this is this. We can select it again, edit, copy. Then you can come here, select it, edit, paste style, paste a fix, paste style. So copy the paste style to you, or paste effects. It means these settings from here, 3D, shadow, color. That will be explained in the next lesson. Also, you can copy this, all of these styles from here. Select it, copy. It's transfer, stroke, fill, layer opacity, layer effects, character, anything to this. Let's copy this to this. Or you can simply click and drag to any object that you want to transfer the style to another text, another object. That's it. Hello, my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.